Today I want to tell you about a very interesting project in Bavaro. It's called MIDTOWN RESIDENCE. The project offers not only apartments for sale, but also affordable standalone villas. This is one of those projects that, at first glance, looks like just a nice residential complex. But if you take a closer look at the location and the area's development prospects, it becomes clear that the project also has excellent investment potential. The first and most important thing is the location of the construction. The MIDTOWN Residence project is located right in the center of Bavaro. This is one of the fastest growing areas in the entire region. There is already well-developed infrastructure here, with shopping centers, supermarkets, restaurants, movie theaters, entertainment complexes, the Kathmandu theme park, nightlife, and entertainment all nearby. The Punta Cana International Airport is just 10 to 12 minutes away by car, and the beaches are only a few minutes' drive away. MIDTOWN Residence is a modern residential complex that consists of 2 apartment buildings. The first building went on sale a year and a half ago, and today it is almost in the final stage of construction. The second apartment complex has recently gone on sale, offering 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments, with prices ranging from $90,000 for a 1-bedroom to $200,000 for a 3-bedroom apartment. Standalone villas have also been put up for sale. A total of 78 villas will be built here. Today, villas from the first phase of the project are being sold, and that is 36 villas. There will be 2 villa layouts built here. These are compact 3-bedroom villas with an area of 120 square meters, priced at $230,000 to $240,000. For an additional $15,000, you can order a private pool in the backyard of your villa. Affordable villas in this area are the hottest commodity on the market, and the sales prove it. In the first 3 weeks of sales, about 70% of the villas have been sold. Nevertheless, it's not too late to buy an excellent villa here at a great price. Depending on the villa you choose, construction will be completed in the summer of 2027 or 2028. The project is being developed as a large gated residence with full infrastructure. The grounds will feature swimming pools, a clubhouse, sports areas including tennis courts, a gym, children's playgrounds, walking paths, green spaces, 24-hour security, and an impressive entrance area. In other words, this is not just a project, but a fully fledged large community for living and relaxation. And now for the most interesting part, which is a very important point, both for those buying for themselves and for investors. Between the MIDTOWN project and the ocean, there is currently a large plot of land that is still empty. Right now, it looks like an ordinary vacant lot, but in reality, it holds enormous potential for the future development of the area. According to Bavaro's development plans, this territory will soon begin to be actively developed. A whole range of new residential complexes will be built right here, along with 2 5-star waterfront hotels, vibrant commercial areas, restaurants, walking zones, and most importantly, convenient access to the new beaches. In other words, MIDTOWN is currently situated on the front line of the area's future development. And this is very important. When new large-scale construction begins around, when infrastructure is being built, when roads and access to the beach appear, the value of real estate in such areas rises very quickly. That is exactly why experienced investors always carefully look not only at what has been built today, but also at what will be built in the surrounding area in the coming years. Our company has also purchased several villas here for resale after construction is completed, as I have no doubt that this is a highly profitable and secure investment. Punta Cana is currently one of the most popular tourist destinations in the entire Caribbean region. Millions of tourists come here every year. This creates enormous demand for apartment and villa rentals. For example, the cost of renting a similar villa for long-term rental, if you rent it out for 6 months or a year, starts from $2,000 per month, while for short-term rentals, such villas cost from $150 per day. MIDTOWN Residence is suitable for several types of buyers at once. First, for those who want to have their own property in the Caribbean region for their family's personal vacations. Second, for investors who are looking for a property to rent out profitably. And third, for those who buy at the construction stage in order to profit from price growth in the future. As for the latter, the deposit structure is particularly important because the less money you have to invest today during the construction phase, the higher the percentage return your money will earn if you plan to resell the property in the future. The MIDTOWN Residence project offers a truly ideal deposit structure, which is quite unusual for most Punta Cana developments. When signing the contract, you pay only 10% of the price. 30% is paid in small installments during the construction period, and the remaining 60% is due only when you receive the keys after construction is completed. That is, in 1.5 to 2 years. We expect that during the construction period, the value of the villas in this project will increase by at least 30%. In other words, the return on the deposit during construction is about 100%. However, I do not recommend quick resales to investors. With such large-scale development in the area, the most profitable strategy is to take ownership and resell the villa in 5 or 6 years when the entire district's construction is complete. In the meantime, you can rent out the villa and receive excellent passive income. To summarize, MIDTOWN Residence is a project that successfully combines several very important factors. A central location, exceptionally well-developed infrastructure nearby even today. High rental demand, and a very high potential for long-term price appreciation. If you're interested in this offer, contact me as soon as possible because in the first phase of the project we have only 8 villas left, and prices in the second phase will most likely be raised by the developer. All contact information is in the description of this video. See you again on the channel.